This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on WhatsApp. To hide your IP address in calls, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right-hand corner, down to the little Settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down just a little ways to where it says Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Then you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, down to where you see it says Advanced. Tap on Advanced. And then right in here, Protect IP address in calls. It says to make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality. To hide your IP address, toggle this on here, or you could toggle it off. That is how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.